Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I want to get in the habit of saying that just so that when I do get some followers, I'll be used to telling you guys welcome back. So, thank you for joining my channel today. I just wanted to get on really quickly and just go over some things just to be real honest about a situation and kind of see if there's anyone out there that can relate. I'm not sure why my hand itches so bad. Could be dry. I might need some lotion. So anyway, let's get into it. Okay, so where we left off at, I was going through the challenges of me starting my candle business and how I thought I was getting somewhere with the wax. But because that company stopped selling it, it kind of started me back at the drawing board. Um, so far, the candles that I have tried, I do like the wax that I've chosen thus far. I'm still trying to work on the wick, and I think I might have also found the wick. So we're seeing, right? We gotta test it out and see what happens. But there was also another wax that I was interested in, and I made a candle out of that. So I'm going to be testing that as well. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so this one, I literally just made these yesterday. Wait, yeah, yesterday. No, yesterday. Just made these yesterday. So this is the wax that I think so far that I'm going to stick with depending. It's working out well. The tops come out smooth. Um, the burn is nice. I haven't had any issues with the burn. Now, like I said, I just got to figure out the wick. And then this is the other one that I'm testing. So what happened, what's weird is it looks like it got a lot of frosting. I don't know if you guys can see that. See that discoloration here and here? I haven't ever really had that before. So I'm not sure if there was something that I did or if it was the color that I used or what. But the top came out looking really good. It smells amazing. So we're gonna be checking on those. And again, frosting isn't a major issue. If you're using soy, it kind of comes with the territory. So I'm really not obsessed about that. Really, it was just something that I noticed that I hadn't seen before. So I'm not sure if, like I said, there was something I did wrong. It is a new wax, so I'm testing out those things as well. So I also just wanted to get on real quick and just be a little transparent. Um, Hopefully, whoever sees this, if someone one day someone sees this and realizes that they've had the same struggles, maybe it's something I can help them with, or just let them know that they're not alone. Like sometimes when you're going through things and you don't necessarily hear anybody talking about it, you think that you're doing this all by yourself. And so I just kind of want to be open and honest about it. If I do proceed with the channel, which I do hope eventually it starts to get some traction, um, and I'm able to help out this community, I do want to be a resource that people can come to, that people trust, and know I'm not going to, sugarcoat or beat around the bush about anything and be like really honest about the situation. So it has been difficult and it's a challenge. um, Candle making is not for the weak, but it has become a passion of mine, and I really, really want to do well, and I want to make great smelling, safe, um, and quality products. So that's really, my goal. And that's why I'm testing, 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 testing. I don't know how much more I can say. Test, test, test. It's constantly testing, testing, testing. Um, but eventually, you'll get there. I have to say, I am not at the place that I was when I started 3 years ago, actually. I have not tested consistently for 3 years. So, and my nerves got in the way. Fear definitely held me back a lot. I could definitely, well, I don't want to say for sure, but it's possible that I could be a lot further had I not let fear get in the way. And so I'm trying to get out of that box. I'm trying to, um, because it's something I want. And you can't do things for people, you have to do things for you. And this makes me happy. So, you know, I got to go for it. I really, really want to do it. And it takes time, it takes effort, it takes a will, a drive, passion. And I have all of that for it. It's just trying to get out of that fear of, I don't know, failure, or what will people think? Will anybody buy my stuff? And I believe somebody will. Like I said, I'm putting my hard work, time, dedication into it. I'm being really careful and learning as much as I can in order to put out a quality product. I definitely don't want to put out anything that is going to um, harm anyone. Like candles in itself, someone put it out to me that we're selling fire, basically. And so we're automatically selling something that could potentially be dangerous if it's not handled properly. And that's correct. But for the most part, what you can do is make sure that your product is safe, and then and then I don't know what happened. I've been having this problem all day. So just one moment. Y'all be on TikTok, huh? They got me. I'm definitely just trying to do better. I'm a little on track for today. It's 5:30. Um, this is 5. I'm almost there. Drink a little bit. Was not the purpose of the video. But anyway, so yeah, so I just want to make sure that I'm giving making a safe product, and then also just instructing customers the best possible way to use this glass of fire that I'm selling you, so that you can also use it safely. Education is important. There's a lot that I have learned, of course, being in this craft now, that I didn't know as just a consumer. And there's a lot that you can mess up when you don't really know. So that's my goal. And like I said, I just wanted to get on here really quickly, be honest, share with you all the candles that I made. I'm really, really proud of them. If you if you are wanting to do this craft, and when you go from crappy looking candles, candles that won't stay lit, candles that tunnel, candles that, you know, burn horribly. The flame is like all over the place. And then you get one that actually looks decent and has the potential to do well, you get really, really happy. So I'm very happy. So I just wanted to get on here really quickly, share that with you all, just do a little rundown real quick, and then give you all some encouragement for anyone who may be watching this video and who wants to delve into this craft. If that is something that interests you, please do like and subscribe. So I do need to work on my YouTube etiquette, okay? But like and subscribe. Please comment. Also, if there's anything that you want to see, any questions that you have, any way that I can help you in any way, please let me know. All right, I guess I will end it here, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.